On July 26, every year, India celebrates Kargil Divas to commemorate its brave soldiers who laid down their lives in the quest for victory against Pakistan during the famous Operation Vijay in 1999. This date has a remarkable place in Indian military history, and this is precisely why the event is observed across the country with great fervor. To go back in time, it is worth recalling how tension between India and Pakistan started to escalate and finally led to the Kargil War. Relations between the neighboring countries had worsened after the two successfully tested nuclear weapons in 1998. To resolve the ongoing stalemate, both the countries signed the Lahore Agreement of 1999, promising to hammer out a peaceful and bilateral solutions to the Kashmir conflict. However, during the winter of 1998, Pakistani troops, in the guise of militants, had begun infiltrating into the Indian side of the line of control as part of Operation Badr, hoping to cut off Indian troops in Siachen and force them to retreat. On May 3, 1999, these Pakistani intruders in Kargil were spotted by local shepherds. However, by that time, the Pakistani troops had managed to capture a region spread over about 130 to 200 square kilometers, and that is, very much enough big in size. As per reports, the aim of the Pakistani incursion was to sever the link between Kashmir and Ladakh and cause Indian forces to withdraw from the Siachen glacier, thus forcing India to negotiate a settlement of the broader Kashmir dispute. Pakistan also believed that any tension in the region would internationalize the Kashmir issue, helping it to secure a speedy resolution. As soon as the Indian armed forces realized the scale of the attack and found more intrusions elsewhere on the LOC, the Government of India launched Operation Vijay. The famous Operation Vijay saw the mobilization of about 2 lakh Indian troops to recapture all the previously lost posts and force the Pakistan troops to retreat. Subsequently, Operation Safed Sagar was launched by the Indian Air Force. Yes, on May 26 to help the Indian Army achieve the objective. With the Army and IAF already in operation, now it was turned for Indian Navy. The Indian Navy strategically mounted pressure on Pakistan through Operation Talwar, which included aggressive patrolling of the Pakistani coast. Kargil was a unique instance of two nuclear capable powers facing off in conventional warfare. Not anticipating such a fierce retaliation from India, Pakistan moved America to seek help in de-escalating the border tensions. The then US President Bill Clinton, however, refused to intervene.